Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to get verified on Snapchat. So let's start. First open the Snapchat app. Go to your profile from top left corner. Then tap on the settings icon on top right corner. Now scroll down and go to I need help. Now tap on contact us. Now you have to select my Snapchat isn't working. Then select other. Then tap yes. And select my issue is not listed. And now you have to fill up this form. And you'll see that your username and your email address is automatically inserted. Now fill up the rest of the form. First type in your phone number. Then type in your device name, including the model number. Now select a date from the last week. Attachment is not necessary in this case. Now you have to write the following message. And when you are done, tap send. And Snapchat will review your request and contact you within a suitable time. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.